The next single head cutting machine in the lineup is Venus. This is a machine that has again 500, 530 and 550 millimeter diameter blades. Weight is 330 kilos. It's a rear to front cutting machine. The tilting of the head is hydropneumatic at -45, 90 and +45. However, you can tilt further to 30 degrees left and right by setting the mechanical end stops. Let's have a look at some videos for the machine. That's the Venus machine. This is for starting and stopping the blade, the two buttons. This is the clamp, that's the emergency stop. And this switch, when you throw the switch from right to left, you have 45, 90 and -45 degrees. This is the flow feed control valve. That's the cover. The FRL unit, as I said, this comes standard with the machine. This is for controlling how fast or slow the blade comes out. At the back of the machine, you see the mechanical end stop. The machine tilts to -45, 90 and +45 by hydropneumatic arrangement. However, if you want to tilt beyond -45 or +45 up to 30 degrees, you can come to the rear of the machine and set this mechanical end stop so that the machine tilts to -30 or +30. Coolant bottle, that's the mechanical end stop unit. That's the Venus in totality. This and this on the right and left are separate from Venus. Venus is only this much. These are material support and measuring systems. This unit on the Venus can be set, and this controls how much the blade will come out. It's a two-handed operation. As you see, both the hands of the operator are required to operate the machine. This is the switch for tilting the saw head. As you see, this is hydropneumatic tilting. He tilted it to 0 degrees and then further to +45. It gives a very clean and burr-free cut. In fact, all LGF saws, if used properly, will give a clean and burr-free cut. These are the horizontal clamps, 2 numbers. That's it, the saw blade comes out and cuts. With the Venus, you can have a 500mm dia saw blade or a 530 or a 550. There is an extra cost for fitting the 550mm diameter saw blade because 500 and 530mm saw blade have a hub diameter of 30mm. The spindle on which the blade is mounted is of 30mm. However, if you want to mount a 550mm diameter saw blade, then which has a hub diameter of 50mm, we have to put a sleeve which has an ID of 30mm and an OD of 50mm, then fit the blade and tie it properly with spacers. That's the reason why there's an extra cost if you want a 550mm diameter blade. The vertical clamping kit is an added optional. Normally there are horizontal clamps, 2 numbers, and if you want a single phase motor instead of the normal 3 phase, you have to ask for it.